Hey guys, so I've had a few requests from people asking me to show them how to remove backgrounds in Photoshop from an image so that the image itself is not displaying a full complete white background or whatever color that background might be. So the process is super easy. There's two approaches that we can take to accomplishing that goal. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and go to File, to Open, and we're going to select the image that we'd like to edit. And I'm going to edit Mickey Mouse. I've pulled this image off of Google. Now, I am using the Adobe CS6 Photoshop program through the Creative Cloud that Adobe has just released. Now, once our image is open, for this method, which is the Magic Eraser method, we don't even have to worry about layers, period. Just head over, right-click on your eraser, and select Magic Eraser tool. And once you select that, simply what I would do if your image is small like this, I would just zoom in to like 500%, like so. And start clicking on the white backgrounds, and you can see how it's automatically detailing to where it takes all the white out. It's a pretty neat feature, and there you go. The background is automatically removed. Now the big question is what if you're using an image that the actual image itself has a lot of white in it? So when you're removing the background, it's also removing the image. So for example, if I were to click on this white background, it would also delete the glove. Okay. So how you get around that is you open up your image with a full white background, and the very first thing you do is you go and you create a new layer. Now I actually created a new layer by hitting Shift Control and N as in Nacho. That's the shortcut key for new layers, but you can also click down here on the new layer button and drag this layer right beneath, or actually, excuse me, once that layer is created, go ahead and delete the background layer. So just click on it and press delete, and we're going to go to File and then Place. And by doing that, we're going to go back down to our Mickey Mouse image, and once he's placed just like that over this layer, we're going to right click and hit Place. And there's our image yet again, but what's different is that this image is now overlapping a transparent layer. So what we can do now is we can go back and right click on our eraser, click the standard eraser tool, we'll click on the image, you'll get a smart object error that says that it needs to be rasterized before you start proceeding. So go ahead and hit OK, and then start erasing. And you can see how I'm manually erasing this image. But when it's erased, you can see the transparent background. Okay. Now, when you're done making your image transparent, you have to save the image either as a GIF file or a PNG. I recommend PNG every time unless you have the animated GIF. Okay. If you're trying to animate your photo, you have to use GIF. But with PNG, just go to File, Save for Web. And then I recommend saving it as a PNG 24. And you can see how it gives you the picture preview, and you can see partially that transparent background when I was manually erasing. So that's how you make a transparent background. If you guys have any more questions, just leave a comment and I'll try to help you guys out. Thanks.